Yes, finally I got it.
Hip hop.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. This is the HomeSoap. This is the big version of the phone soap that I showed you a couple of months ago, I think. And what this does is that it cleans the products with UV light. And you may not or not know, but UV light kills everything. And this large one called HomeSoap from the company called PhoneSoap wasn't available in Europe, at least when I bought the PhoneSoap. And now I maybe have the answer to why, because this is a new improved product with even more powerful UV light bulbs. So this one takes it all: COVID bacteria, E. coli, everything. And I use my phone soap a lot. And people have always thought that I was weird about cleaning my phone, but check any video. I will post something in the blog and you will realize that you need to clean your phone. So maybe you should use that once a day. I use it 100 times a day. I use it all the time, and I put everything else that fits in the small phone soap. I put in there, knives, car keys, whatever. And this one, I have so many plans, so many ideas. I'm gonna put, the size is more or less, I'm guessing that the original idea for the size was to fit iPads or smart tablets. I'm gonna put everything, remote controls, the insoles of my shoes, everything that fits. You out there that have kids, you can put the bottles, the smaller toys. I'm actually unsure about how big it is. So, all right. And I'm guess it's standing like this. So we have, let me see here, we should have power outlets. Cool looking thing, it looks like a play console. Kind of large, not as big, looks like a gaming console, as I said. The charging ports are on the inside. So you have one standard USB and one USB-C port on the inside. So you can charge whatever, your tablet, your phone, you can charge it while it's cleaning, your gaming consoles, whatever. So this is what it looks like. I chose the black one just because this is going to be standing next to my Xbox and be standing on a black desk instead of the white one. I like it. I'm glad that I finally have it. So I wish it was even bigger. They have a bigger one, but that is for like medical use, hospitals. That's something really expensive. But I can fit insoles for my shoes, remote controls, of course also smaller things, phone. I'm gonna put all my knives in there. Oh, my beard trimmers I'm gonna put in there, car keys, everything that fits I'm gonna use it with. So as you understand, even if you're not like a germophobic as I am, you should have something like this that really cleans your products, whatever it is. If it's your tablet that your children are using, your phone, water bottles, whatever. PhoneSoap have a bunch of different products. They have like 4 different sizes for your phone. One that goes with battery, so you can have when you travel, etc. They have this one, they have a larger one, but that is for like pro use, as I said. They have a wand that still are not approved in Europe for some reason. I really want that one so I can clean everything inside of my car and have it with me when I go to hotels. But this one, I'm happy that I finally have it. That's it, I think. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Check the link in the description. I'm gonna post some videos from HomeSoap themselves, link to this product, and yeah, and link to my older post with the HomeSoap, because there I have a bunch of videos with tests that shows you how it really kills germs, better than nothing else, everything else. So UV light to kill germs, and the tougher germs, that's the way to go. Thanks for watching.